Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by prepping files and layers so nothing is destructive. Open your image, immediately duplicate the background, and hide the original to preserve it. Create a new fill layer, solid color or gradient, set around 50% opacity to audition looks. Make sure your document uses sRGB or Adobe RGB for predictable color. Once done, convert the duplicated layer to a smart object so filters remain editable. This step saves time later and lets you tweak the effect without rebuilding from scratch. Now you build the screen effect by working with blending and masks. Change the top duplicated layers, blend mode to screen and dial opacity until highlights pop without clipping, often between 40 and 100%. Add a layer mask and paint with soft black to remove glow from unwanted areas. Invert and refine as needed. Clip curves or levels layers to the screen layer to control brightness and contrast precisely. Make sure to toggle preview and shift values slowly. Subtlety preserves natural detail. Finish by softening and color grading to sell the effect. Apply a subtle Gaussian blur between 0.5 and 3 pixels to the screen layer or a duplicate to create realistic bloom. Add color lookup or selective color adjustment layers clip to the effect to harmonize hues with the base photo. Once done, group the effect layers and toggle visibility to compare. If highlights clip or detail is lost, reduce screen opacity or add a midtone curves correction to recover texture. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most artifacts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.